Hi guys, we are here in Switzerland right now in the village or in the town of Gelterkenden, and we are viewing from the window of where we stay at here in Gelterkenden. This is a house that was built in 1816, so it's more than 200 years old. And look at the view from the room of where I'm staying at. So breathtaking, beautiful view. That's the village down there, and this is like a house on top of the hill, and this is their garden. It's a huge property. They have like apple plantations, they have like nectarine, they have like plums, they have like blueberries, blackberries, and they said that they have like more than 30 different varieties of apple. They make their own apple cider and cheese, and look at the view. It's so beautiful. In the backyard they have like donkeys, they have sheep, they have goats, and they have peacocks. And look at the view from the window of where I spent the night here, and it's just so breathtaking. And the garden, the lawn is so beautiful. And this is the bedroom where I'm staying at in this 1816 house. They have another house beside this that was built in the 1700s, and this is like the second house here. So this is more than 200 years old house, and it's still so beautiful. You can see that's the furnace over there. That's an original one. I think it's a coal-fired furnace that they use during winter to give heat, and it's just so beautiful here. So this is Switzerland. This is the home to the central bank of all central banks. This is the pharmaceutical capital of the world. This is where Roche and Novartis are based, and a lot more to tell about Switzerland. So today we're going to the Alps. We're going to the mountains of Switzerland and see and appreciate the Alps. And they said it's going to be like a 3-hour journey, but we're leaving. It's about 7:20 a.m. here right now. I'm sure it's evening time in the Philippines, but the view here is so beautiful. Oh, I think it's about 1:37 p.m. in the Philippines. Beautiful. More of this later. Thank you. Bye.